Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and gathering gear. This prevents wasted time. Once done, remove bulky cases and metal attachments because they block the coil. Make sure the pad is powered by a 10W or higher PD/QC adapter, then plug it into the wall. Place the charger on a stable, flat surface and center the phone on the pad so the coils align. Keep the screen on briefly to verify charging icon. This ensures once the phone is on the pad, fine-tune alignment. Small shifts matter. You should see the charging indicator or LED on the pad. If not, slide the device slowly until it appears. Make sure the phone lies flat, not tilted, and avoid placing objects between the phone and pad. If you use a magnetic car mount or metal case, remove it because it interferes. Monitor for warming. Mild heat is normal, but if it gets uncomfortably hot, pause charging and reposition. To complete charging, remove the phone once you reach your target, and make sure not to leave it constantly at 100% for long periods. If charging fails, first test the pad with another phone, then swap the USB cable or wall adapter to isolate which component is bad. If still not charging, restart your phone and check for software updates. Sometimes firmware fixes coil detection. Finally, inspect cases, stickers, or debris. Clear obstructions and retest, because physical interference is a common cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.